Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a sticky header using Elementor editor for free like this. Please subscribe to the Trusted Eagle channel and click on the bell icon to be notified about our new videos. To make a sticky header, we need two plugins that I am going to install one by one. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and add New. Search for Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Click on Install Now. Wait till it is installed. And activate it. We are going to install another plugin too. So click on Add New. Search for Sticky Header Effects for Elementor. Click on Install Now. Activate it. Go to Appearance, and click on Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Click on Add New. And add a title. For the type of template, select Header, and Display on entire website. And click on Publish button. Now click on Edit with Elementor. Click on the plus icon to add a section. Let's choose a section with 3 columns. Click on the section, and change content width to full width and columns gap to no gap. Adjust the columns for the logo title and the menu. Now, it's time to add elements to the header. Search for the menu, and make sure it's the Header Footer Builders element. Drag and drop the navigation menu to the header section. You can set the alignment to the right, left, or center. Let's add site title. Search for site title. Drag and drop. And the site logo as well. Adjust the logo and title to your desired width. Let's check how it looks. Okay, the header is created. Now it's time to make it sticky. Click on the header section. Go to the Advanced tab. And click on Sticky Header Effects. Toggle on the button to enable the sticky effects. By default, it's enabled for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Click on Update and see what happens. Yes, it is working. When you scroll down, the header remains on top, so let's make it a full transparent header. Go back to the header section and toggle on the transparent header. Let's check how it is going to look. Let's make the menu color more visible and give a background color for the header. Click on Menu Element and click on Style. Click on Text Color and choose a color. Now click on Header section, then Advanced and Sticky Header Effects. Toggle on the background color and choose a color. Let's check it. The color will appear when you scroll it down. Good. Let's add some transparency. And check it. Cool. Let's make it blur and see how it looks. Just toggle off the background color and toggle on the blur background and let's check it. This is how you can make a sticky header in WordPress for free. Follow Trusted Eagle for more videos. Thanks for watching.